Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's advanced lecture on international economics. I am Dr. Mustafa Bassiouni, and I'm delighted to be your guide through the intricacies of the global marketplace. To begin, let us explore the concept of globalization and its profound impact on international economics. In an increasingly interconnected world, economic activities transcend national borders, creating a web of interdependence among nations. Through the lens of international economics, we analyze how goods, services, capital, and ideas flow across countries, shaping our global economy. One of the fundamental pillars of international economics is the study of international trade. We will delve into various theories that explain why countries engage in trade and the resulting benefits. From classical theories such as comparative advantage by David Ricardo to more contemporary theories like the product life cycle by Raymond Vernon, we will explore the factors that drive international specialization and the distribution of gains from trade. Moving forward, it is crucial to understand the international monetary system and its effects on global trade. We will examine the role of central banks, exchange rates, and the challenges associated with maintaining stable currency values in a dynamic global environment. Additionally, we will explore the impact of exchange rate fluctuations on trade competitiveness and the global balance of payments. The world of international economics is not without its complexities and controversies. Trade policies and protectionism play a significant role in shaping the global economic landscape. We will examine the different forms of trade barriers, such as tariffs, quotas, and subsidies, and evaluate their impact on domestic industries, consumer welfare, and the global allocation of resources. Moreover, we will discuss the role of international organizations, such as the World Trade Organization, WTO, in promoting free and fair trade. And that concludes our overview of the topics we will cover in this advanced lecture on international economics. I hope you are as excited as I am to embark on this journey of understanding the intricacies of the global marketplace. Thank you for joining me, and let's begin. The world of international economics is not without its complexities and controversies. Trade policies and protectionism play a significant role in shaping the global economic landscape. We will examine the different forms of trade barriers, such as tariffs, quotas, and subsidies, and evaluate their impact on domestic industries, consumer welfare, and the global allocation of resources. Moreover, we will discuss the role of international organizations, such as the World Trade Organization, WTO, in promoting free and fair trade. Another crucial aspect of international economics is foreign direct investment, FDI, and the activities of multinational corporations, MNCs. We will explore the motives behind FDI, the benefits and challenges it presents to both host and home countries, and the role of MNCs in driving economic growth, technology transfer, and global production networks. Additionally, we will discuss the impact of FDI on employment, income distribution, and economic development. Lastly, we will turn our attention to emerging markets and the process of global economic integration. We will analyze the opportunities and challenges faced by these economies as they navigate the international economic landscape. Topics such as trade liberalization, regional integration initiatives, and the potential benefits of participating in global value chains will be explored. Ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude this advanced lecture on international economics, it is clear that understanding the intricacies of the global marketplace is vital for policymakers, business professionals, and anyone interested in the dynamics of our interconnected world. By comprehending the theories, policies, and forces that shape international economics, we can make informed decisions and contribute to a more prosperous and sustainable global economy. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this lecture has provided valuable insights into the fascinating field of international economics. Should you have any further questions or wish to explore specific topics in more detail, please feel free to reach out. Until then, foreign direct investment, FDI, refers to the investment made by a company or individual from one country into another country, with the intention of establishing a lasting interest and control over a business enterprise. FDI involves the acquisition of assets such as buildings, equipment, or the establishment of new facilities in a foreign country. This investment is typically made by multinational companies, MNCs, or multinational corporations. Multinational companies are business enterprises that have operations or subsidiaries in multiple countries. These companies operate and coordinate their activities on a global scale, seeking to capitalize on the benefits of international trade, access to new markets and cost advantages in different countries. They are often characterized by their ability to leverage resources, technologies and expertise across borders. Scene script. Motives for FDI. Companies engage in FDI for various reasons. These can include seeking new market opportunities, accessing natural resources or labor, gaining strategic assets or technologies, diversifying risks, or taking advantage of favorable investment climates or government incentives. Types of FDI. FDI can take different forms. Greenfield investment involves establishing a new operation or subsidiary in a foreign country. Mergers and acquisitions involve the purchase or partnership with an existing company in a foreign country. Both forms provide MNCs with a presence and control in the foreign market. Benefits of FDI for host countries. FDI can bring several benefits to host countries. It can contribute to economic growth, job creation, and technology transfer. FDI can also enhance productivity, promote the development of local industries, and stimulate infrastructure investments. Additionally, FDI often leads to the transfer of managerial and organizational skills. Benefits of FDI for home countries. Home countries of MNCs can also benefit from FDI. Outward FDI can help companies expand their operations, access new markets, and gain competitive advantages. It can also allow home countries to diversify their sources of revenue and reduce dependence on a single market. Challenges and risks. FDI and multinational operations come with challenges and risks. These include political and regulatory risks, cultural differences, operational complexities, and potential conflicts between home and host country interests. MNCs must navigate these challenges to ensure the success and sustainability of their international operations. Impacts on global economy. The activities of multinational companies and FDI have a significant impact on the global economy. They contribute to the integration of markets, transfer of technologies, and diffusion of knowledge. MNCs also play a role in shaping global production networks and supply chains. International economics is a vast and evolving field that requires a comprehensive understanding. To delve into this subject, we recommend exploring a combination of textbooks, online courses, academic journals, and reputable news sources. For books, consider reading International Economics by Paul Krugman and Maurice Obstfeld, Globalization and Its Discontents by Joseph E. Stiglitz, The World is Flat, A Brief History of the 21st Century by Thomas L. Friedman, International Economics, Theory and Policy by Paul R. Krugman, Maurice Obstfeld and Mark Mellitz, and The Bottom Billion, Why the Poorest Countries Are Failing and What Can Be Done About It by Paul Collier. If you prefer online courses, check out the International Economics courses offered by Khan Academy, MIT OpenCourseWare and Coursera. These platforms provide in-depth knowledge and resources to enhance your understanding. To stay updated with the latest research and analysis, explore academic journals such as the Journal of International Economics, Review of International Economics, Journal of International Money and Finance, World Development and Journal of Development Economics. International organizations and research institutions like the International Monetary Fund, IMF, World Bank Group, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD, Peterson Institute for International Economics and Brookings Institution also offer valuable insights and research in the field. For economic news and analysis, we recommend following reputable sources like The Economist, Financial Times, and World Economic Forum. These sources provide up-to-date information and expert analysis on international economics. Remember, international economics is a dynamic field, so it's important to explore a variety of resources to gain a comprehensive understanding. And for this video, we recommend using a male, middle-aged British voice to deliver the narration. Ladies and gentlemen, as we bring this advanced lecture on international economics to a close, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking reflection. International economics is not merely a subject confined to textbooks or academic discourse. It is a living, breathing entity that shapes the lives of individuals, the destiny of nations, and the trajectory of our shared future. Understanding its principles and dynamics empowers us to navigate the challenges and harness the opportunities that lie ahead. As we delve into the realm of international economics, let us embrace the diversity of voices, perspectives, and experiences that define our global community. Let us recognize the immense potential for collaboration, cooperation, and mutual understanding that arises from our interconnectedness. In the face of daunting global challenges, from climate change to inequality, from geopolitical tensions to technological disruptions, it is through the lens of international economics that we can seek innovative solutions, foster inclusive growth, and promote sustainable development. So I implore each of you to become active participants in the realm of international economics, embrace the complexities, embrace the opportunities, and embrace the responsibility that comes with being a global citizen. Together, let us strive for a world where prosperity is shared, where economic progress is inclusive, and where the fruits of globalization benefit not just a few, but all humanity. Thank you for your unwavering attention and participation throughout this lecture. I wish you success and fulfillment in your continued exploration of international economics. May you become agents of positive change in our interconnected world.